here. That's the end of the list.
The special visitor has arrived.
Look at this beautiful spread.
My hands are clean already. So we're gonna check the chicken coop to find some chicken eggs. Okay. Hello, Brooder. How are you doing? Right as I got in, he just stared in my eyeball.
Hiccups tend to be kind of an early warning sign for me that I need to slow down and behave myself. So I'm going to pay attention because I've been having the hiccups a lot lately. And thankfully, today is gorgeous outside, and I am excited about having some nice weather. And my first instinct is to want to go outside and do all the things because it's so nice out. It's almost chilly, actually. Right now it's 68 degrees. And after a week with extreme temperatures and we even had triple digits lately. And so this is the sort of dream day that you've been hoping for all week. And I really would like nothing more than to go outside and overdo it. But here I am sitting here with the hiccups and realizing that I've already been overdoing it for the past couple of weeks, and I just need to slow myself down. I will probably just give myself a little time this morning. I'll work on editing my video and I'll do my stuff, and maybe by this afternoon I'll be able to get out there and tackle some stuff. I figure I'll take the kids outside and put them to work, and I can just sit in my chair and relax, maybe. Because they want to earn some video game time, and so I think they would be eager to help out with stuff. And really, we've done a lot of really important and helpful things over the past week. So, yeah, hopefully we'll get some things done and also get some rest in so that I can be done with the hiccups. Because they're getting a little obnoxious.
I'm collecting up all of our spring decorations because today is the first official day of summer. Da, da, da. Exciting, but also weird because today is the first day of summer, but it's the first day it's actually felt like spring because it's spring weather outside and it's been summer last week. Excited about
New 33 Halo.
Kitty Tower. So you can't get out there. Out. Naughty. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Well, I guess we're gonna have to try something different. Very gingerly driving them in place. The chickens don't like being in the rain. Meanwhile, the ducks are having a whole lot of fun out in the rain. A little rain brings out so much green in the yard. There's some rain out west. The really impressive thing, you swing around looking southeast, there are some massive, just billowing clouds over there, and wow, you can see a lot of turbulence in
those clouds. He squares the chickens. These guys are not looking good, guys. This is gonna be serious.
Hail!
Oh my goodness, this hail is huge. Oh my goodness. As storms go, it was mercifully short. So that's the good part. We still don't know what kind of hail damage there was outside, but oh my goodness. These are pretty big. And there's a bunch of pieces here that look like they were part of a bigger one before they hit the roof. Oh my goodness. I know, right? Glad you guys are okay. Oh, wow. Yep. Yeah. Oh, here's some big ones over here. How weird to see a clear sky tonight after such turbulent disaster weather earlier. Kind of bonkers. Oh, see, they're already going in.
Yeah.
They see us coming.
And some were already in there.
Yeah.
Like, we
Right.
know that we should go in there.
Yeah. Da, 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 da. Yes. This is going to make life a lot easier. Because I have to, like, go, whenever I'm doing a video, I'm like, do I have enough space for this video? And then I have to go in and delete other videos, and then I have to rearrange things. So this is going to be awesome. All right, so I am planning on heading to one of our nearby towns to go get some supplies. And as any of you who live in a very rural area know, trips to the city are kind of a big deal. We have a small town within a short drive of here, but they don't even have a grocery store because it's so small. So it's kind of an event to go to town. And so the kids have asked to come along. And so we're going to go on an outing to town.
Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm they had a
Rooster.
again, E-I-E-I-O, with a cock-a-doodle-doo, with a cock-a-doodle-doo, here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo, everywhere cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah. These are all close. Oh. Look at this. Orange. This is kind of like a giraffe pattern. Look. This literally looks like Mario stuff. Literally.
Beautiful beef and broccoli right there.
They come down.
Which way should I do it?
Anyway, just come down.
I feel like I'm gonna fall out. Yeah, I have the feeling too.
Come down. Just come down. Steady.
That.
No, that's not normal.
Okay. Look, a hill! In case you didn't notice.
Where? I don't see no hill.
Yes. Oh, you will. You will. The train is stopped.
Yeah, it has been.
Well, I don't know if I've seen occasionally with the train parked on the floor. Oh my goodness. So while we were at the Dollar Tree, we found these interesting looking things called pear donuts, I guess is what my daughter called them. And I told her,
I would get a couple and let her put them in my hair just for fun as part of our adventure days. So we're gonna see how that turns out. So it's Thursday night, and obviously we've had fun with our dollar store acquisition. Yeah, nay, it was fun. And the kids have headed off to bed, and Mr. Adventure right now is cleaning out the freezer in the basement because it's garbage day tomorrow, and if there's anything that needs to be toshed, they need to get it into the garbage. And it also needs a little defrosting, I believe. So he's working on that. Now that I've had a chance to put my feet up, I'm gonna go downstairs and join him. And my daughter is going to unload and reload the dishwasher while we're working downstairs. Oh, she already done it. Good job. Looks like there are a bunch of potatoes starting to come up. Taters. We've got taters. And more taters. And it's exciting to see them starting to come up. And we're probably going to have to kind of move the margins of this hill a little bit, kind of redistribute some of this straw. But they're coming up good. Everything's looking great. Those are some strong tater plants. So we're going to start covering them and building our tater empire. Lots of good stuff. Oh, there's another one. There's another one right there popping up. Here's one of our plum trees, and I was so excited to see there's a teeny tiny little plum there. Our first plum from the plum trees. So, what a fun thing. There have been so many exciting developments here in the garden. It's like overnight, we've just totally blossomed out. We've got all sorts of little blossoms on our tomato plants. And we even have a green zebra. Looky there, green zebra in the works. And it's so exciting. This is one of my favorite parts of the season. They even came through the hail. No damage to the plants from the hail. Not anything discernible anyway. And so we are super excited to see them really flourishing in this heat and rain, and all the crazy weather has been amazing for the garden. So there's that. And looky here, we got little squashes. This is Little Farmer Boy's garden, and he's just got all sorts of blossoms out there for the squash. They're coming on really nicely, and his peas are coming up. There's actually a couple of little beans on the plants and lots of blossoms. I have to get that tuft of grass out of there, but for the most part, it has been very free of weeds. Everything's grown really great. Very strong leaves and good growth. And all of these little peppers, all these pepper plants are starting to get lots and lots of blossoms on them, and I was so surprised to see here on this plant that we've got a little pepper on. So I'm excited about that. Our first little pepper of the season. So our garden's growing well, and lots of progress with that. Also, bunches and bunches of apples on the trees. So we're hoping and praying that this year they will not get blown off in any storms, that we'll still have some left to harvest. But lots of beautiful growing things here at the farmstead. Didn't know that duck wrangling would be the course of my life, but here we are. Just walking a duck home on this fine evening with a gorgeous sunset. Wow. Ah, pretty.
we had started the week off trying to clean up the outside and to get things tidied up, but with the obvious turbulent weather that we've had, we haven't been able to finish the projects that we had in mind. Sometimes things are like that on the homestead. You can't predict what the weather's going to do, and you can only get done what you can. So this week has been kind of catching up on inside tasks, nothing too exciting as far as housework and getting things tidied up. I did notice that we have some raspberries that are ripe along the lane, so we're going to try to get a little something done today. If we can get the raspberries picked and kind of catch up on a couple things, we can do it today. Again, it's supposed to rain later in the afternoon, and so who knows what we'll get done, but I feel like it's been a fairly productive week. Even if we didn't get any big projects done, we were able to do all of our basic stuff, so at least we're not behind. We do have something fun planned for today because my uncle and his wife and his grandson are coming down for a little visit this morning. Usually when they come, it's in the middle of winter for our big family Christmas gathering, and so I'm kind of excited to show them around the place and show them what it's like here in summertime, because there are all sorts of fun things with the garden and the critters happening, so it'll be fun. Hopefully after they leave we can also get some things done, so we'll see how the day goes depending on the weather.
So my husband was doing paper airplanes with our visitor this morning, and he apparently nailed a pretty impressive shot here. Talk about threading the needle. Right, so what are we doing right now?
Getting raspberries and see if they're olive and I can eat them.
Raspberry bushes are pokey, so watch out for the pokes. All right, look at this beautiful harvest. Kind of just gently tug it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that. You're doing a great job. Yeah. You want to help pick berries? There's lots to pick. Are you purposefully scratching yourself on the thorns, you goofy cat?
Goofy goose. I got one. I'm bleeding.
No, it's just raspberry juice.
Come on. The raccoons just take them.
Yeah, raccoons
Today,
and possums and foxes will eat them
this
too.
spring, usual spring, so the raccoons don't think we should go over here.
Did the chicken lay an egg in the
Actually,
duck
there's
coop?
a couple. There's actually 3.